Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see your Facebook password. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for Google. Here it is. Click on it. Now open your email account. Here you can see manage your Google account. Press on this. Now go to security. Scroll down. Here you can see password manager. You have to press on this. If you forgot your Facebook password and you want to see this, you have to click on this Facebook. Use your pattern. Here it is. So this is how you can search your Facebook password. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.